Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about the power of relationship banking using Chase as an example. That term, it's thrown around a lot, relationship banking, and I'm going to give some examples of what it really means and how you can benefit from it. And I'm going to use our good friends at Chase Bank. Chase is the biggest bank in America right now as far as revenue, customer base. I think they kind of fight back and forth with Bank of America, but right now Chase is the biggest. And you need to get a relationship with a bank like Chase. But first, I'm going to tell you what I probably wouldn't do with Chase. Okay, I wouldn't get a savings account with Chase because they pay virtually nothing. They have so many products to where they want to lure you in with that. So the savings accounts pay almost nothing, like 0.000000001%. It's like virtually nil. So I wouldn't recommend getting the savings account with Chase, but you want to establish a relationship. Now, in my case, I didn't have a checking account. I didn't have a savings account with Chase. I had no relationship whatsoever. I actually established my relationship with Chase by getting a business credit card with them. I got the Chase Business Unlimited Inc. I've had it for less than 2 years. I got it in the spring of 2022. I actually made a video about it, which I will leave a link to in the description of this video of how I got approved for the Chase account when I got the Chase account. But I established my relationship with them by getting a business credit card. So that was the first thing I did. I established a relationship. The second thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to do right by these credit card issuers and these financial institutions that grant credit to you. If you do right, and if you're doing right in your financial life, you are likely to be rewarded with great offers. Now, I've had my account again less than 2 years. I've done right by Chase. I've used the card. I've paid it back. And to be perfectly honest with you guys, I've paid $0 in interest for the entire time I've had the card, because when I got the card, I had like 15 months, 0% interest, same as cash. And I did have some business related expenses to deal with. I very easily sat them there, paid them off within the 15 months, and 0% interest. So it was basically cash on cash. In recent months, when I log into my Chase account, I see special offers, and they're just right there on the account. I'm going to put some on the screen right now. So by doing right by Chase and establishing that relationship, remember, I have nothing other than this business credit card. I don't have a checking account. I do not have a savings account, money market, nothing else. I see offers like this all the time. I logged in, and as you can see, it says offer. You're already approved for a Chase Inc. business cash card. Earn $900 bonus cash back with no annual fee. Remember, I have the Chase Business Unlimited Inc. So the Chase Inc. business cash card is a different card. Again, one of the advantages of Chase is that they have tons of products, okay? I got other banks I deal with, and I value them too. I'm just trying to emphasize why having a great relationship with at least one very big, powerful bank can be beneficial to you. You also see you're already approved for the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Earn 60,000 bonus points, benefits like 3 times points on dining. You're already approved for the United Explorer card. Earn 60,000 bonus miles. So this is a travel related card after qualifying purchases. The last one says you're already approved for the Chase Inc. Business Preferred card. Earn 100,000 bonus points. Again, I have Chase Business Unlimited. So they just have tons of products. And the great thing is these products, they just keep shuffling them at you. They change. So I actually took a look at one of the offers. This was the Chase Inc. Business Preferred card. And what they're telling me is you're already approved for a Chase Business Inc. preferred card. Because of your relationship with us, we're able to customize options that fit how you bank. And you can see some of the details they're offering. This one is 100,000 bonus points after you spend $8,000 on purchases in the first 3 months after opening an account. That's $1,250 towards travel rewards when you redeem through Chase Ultimate Rewards. It also gives you 3 points per dollar on the first $150,000 spent in combined purchases, 1 point per dollar on all other purchases, and then 25% more in travel redemption when you book using the business travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. And this one has a $95 annual fee. So this is a card for someone that's probably been established in business for a little bit and is making some pretty good money and is spending a lot of money because their business requires it. But the great thing is they send all kinds of offers to me. Here's a look at one of the other offers that was sent. This is saying you're already approved for the Chase Inc. Business Premier Card. Again, because of your relationship with us, we're able to customize options that fit how you bank. And if you go into some of the nuts and bolts of the card, it's going to tell you $1,000 cash back if you spend $10,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. So if you got a lot of purchases coming up, that's 10% cash back. That's not a bad deal. Unlimited 2.5% total cash back on every purchase of $5,000 or more. Unlimited 2% cash back on all business purchases, and unlimited 5% cash back on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards. This one also has an annual fee of $195. So the point that I'm making, those two offers were for businesses that are a little bit more established, but they also offer me credit cards on the personal side and credit cards on the business side that don't have annual fees, as you saw in the illustration on my first slide where I mentioned the first card, which did not have an annual fee. So it's just having all of these products at your disposal. Build a relationship with at least one big box bank. Even if you like a mid-tier guy, and I totally get it because I love mid-tier banks. They like really are good at the customer service part, and they're really good at extending credit to you when you may not be as qualified as some of these big, super big box banks require. But establish that relationship with at least one really supersized big box bank because it has tons of benefits. The approval amounts are usually generous, and you know how I feel about high limits. To me, it can never be high enough because it gives you access to capital if that $1 million opportunity comes up and you need $10,000, $20,000 to be a part of it. Now you have it because you got access to capital. It also helps keep your credit utilization low. That's if you're getting it on the personal side, because when you have high credit limits, you can use more of it, obviously, and still keep the utilization down. So, hey guys, that's all I got on this one. Go out for 2024 and make sure that you build your credit. Remember I said you don't need a play if you get your financial house in order. So build your credit and go and establish a relationship with a supersized big box bank and benefit from all that they have to offer. That's all I got for this one, guys. On that note, class is dismissed.